we're going to discuss some common defenses and trial tactics in DUI cases driving under the influence of alcohol in the state of New Jersey. As we've discussed, a police officer is required to have probable cause to stop the person's vehicle in the first place. They either have to observe the person driving erratically or stop them for a different traffic infraction and only then come to the awareness that the person may have been driving under the influence. And at that point, they need to have a reasonable suspicion, based on their observations, that the person was driving drunk. These two bases can be challenged by the defense attorney and can ultimately lead to a dismissal of the DUI charges. Another common grounds for dismissal is lack of speedy trial. Even though there's no textbook amount of time in which a trial must be had in a DUI case in the state of New Jersey, an inordinate delay that's caused by the prosecutor may be the basis for dismissal of the DUI charges. Finally, the most common way to get DUI charges dismissed is to attack the evidence that the prosecutor uses at trial. For example, the prosecutor may seek to introduce a breathalyzer reading to indicate what the person's blood alcohol content was. But the operation of the alcotest machine is very complicated, and if all of the appropriate procedures weren't followed, whether they be observation or instructions or operation of the machine itself, that could yield an inaccurate test result, which also could form the basis for a motion to dismiss the underlying charges. It's best to speak with an attorney who has significant experience in handling DUI cases in order for the attorney to be able to come up with the best strategy and give you the best chance of getting your case dismissed or your charges reduced in court.